Hey Stampers, Anna Marie from Just Stamp here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Riverside, California in the US. New this month from Just Stamp, the chance to craft along with me and create your own card as I demonstrate. I will be crafting the triple panel accordion fun fold card with Hello Greetings this month. 2 cards, Hello from the Sweet Songbirds. A little birdie told me you've got something to celebrate. The triple panel accordion card fits in a standard size envelope, but when extended, it will also stand right on your desktop or mantle. There's the Hello Sweet Songbirds card. The second card included this month is the Hello Ladybug, and also in the triple panel accordion fun fold. Hello, it's a good day. Again, it collapses to fit in the standard size mailing envelope, and when opened, it will stand on the desktop or mantle. These are the 2 kits I'm offering for you to purchase so that you can craft along with me during a Facebook Live on Friday, October 6th. Each kit features the die cut shapes, any die cuts needed, the designer series paper, and the cardstock. The Sweet Songbird Hello card I show in pecan pie and the gingham pattern paper. It includes the punches for the Sweet Songbird, the die cuts for the Hello Greeting, and the stylish shape die cut for your background. It includes the gingham patterned paper cut to measure, and also your cardstock. Again, I show pecan pie. Also your basic white for stamping and assembly. The Hello Ladybug card includes your die cuts and punches for the ladybug, your stylish shape die cut, your designer series paper, and your cardstock cut to measure. Everything is included for you to create during the craft along. If you'd like to create the cards as I have, you will need the Hello Ladybug stamp set and the Sweet Songbird stamp set. Now, if you don't own these stamp sets, you can purchase them through me, or you can substitute with any stamps you might have on hand. Also included in your kit is the PDF tutorial, which will be emailed directly to you. The PDF includes all the measurements and the step-by-step instructions to create this fun fold from scratch on your own. It also includes 12 designs by demonstrators worldwide. You'll be inspired to create lots more fun cards. So you can click the link below to view the additional supplies you might need, the inks and adhesive, or you can click below to hop over to the blog, AnnaMariePalmer.com, Just Stamp. Click on classes/kits to purchase your kit. Then get set to craft along with me on Friday, October 6th on Facebook. Can't make the October 6th date? No worries. The tutorial video will be uploaded and stored on YouTube for you to view anytime you're ready. I'll be stamping with you soon.